Hey guys, what's going on? MIUI here. So today is my time to update from the MIUI 13 through the official MIUI 14.0.1. It's out for my Redmi Note 10. And so without further ado, let's get started. So here's my Redmi Note 10. As you can see, this is the lock screen, home screen. Now let's go to setting, about phone, press the MIUI version. You will get this message of MIUI 14. As you can see, mine on the global version 14.0.1.0 SKG MIXM stable 280 MB. Only it takes 280 MB. Updated apps, learn what's new. So for the new is system update Android security patch to January 2023, feature and improvements. So now let's press the update. So now it's finalizing, 86%, almost there. Finally has been finished. So let's reboot now. Goodbye MIUI 13. So finally has been updated to MIUI 14. This is the lock screen, home screen, updated MIUI successfully. Tap to view update info. So this is the new, what's new, like I show you just now. These setting icons are new, as you can see, more clean, very nice. MIUI 14 global version, that's very nice. Still on Android 12. Maybe later this phone will get Android 13 one day. MIUI 14. Now let's take a look at the MIUI 13. So this is the lock screen sound. Hope you can hear it. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for installing MIUI 14 global version on my Redmi Note 10 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.